Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to make supplier payment in VT software. So first of all, you need to set up bank. From here you can add any bank, you can modify any bank, and you can delete banks from here. Now I have created two bills, as you can see. One is purchase and another is telephone expenses. Okay, purchase from supplier 3 and telephone expenses is from supplier 4. So I'm going to make payment. So in transaction menu, you will get two options, payment and check payment. If you click on payment, you will get this kind of display, and in case of check payment, you will get check number tab here. Okay, let's proceed with payment only. Now you need to select the bank here. Then after payment reference number, then after date of the payment, here you need to enter name of the supplier. Then after I'll enter gross amount. Okay, because at the time of creating bills we have already claimed input VAT. Now in group I'll select supplier, and then I'll select the particular supplier SUP3. I simply entering details, I click on save button. As you can see our payment here. Now let's allocate payments again, bills. As you can see, purchase invoice and payment. Under open into tab, you need to select the both transaction and you need to click here. So it will be removed from open entries tab. Fine. And to undo the process, you need to select the transaction and you need to click here. Now let's make payment of telephone bill. Okay, this time I'm going to make partial payment bill. Means the liability is 240 and I'm going to make payment of 120 only. And to select the bank, then enter the date. In gross amount, I enter 120. Supplier 4. Let me change the date. I simply save the transaction. Okay, now let's allocate the transaction. As you can see, liability is 240, payment is 120. I simply selected both transaction and I'll click here. And it will never remove from here unless and until you make the full payment of particular bill. Okay. And to undo the process, we need to follow the same method. In case of advance payment, we can do in same manner. You just need to create a new supplier from here. Okay, you need to enter the gross detail. Fine. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Can you like the video and subscribe the channel? Thank you.